guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a day in my life. So today is Sunday, April 4th, and it's 3:05. So yeah, right now I have to go to get some groceries, and then I'm gonna cook, and I'm also I think gonna bake something. I don't know what yet, and also I have to finish some homework and stuff. So yeah, so this is what I'm wearing today. This whole outfit is from Pretty Little Thing, and then I'm wearing some Crocs. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the supermarket right now because I have to get some stuff because I'm gonna cook for my family today. So yeah, let's go do that right now. Hi guys, so I'm back home and I'm in my kitchen now. I'm gonna show you what I got at the supermarket. That took longer than expected. I was there for like 40 minutes. But yeah, I'm gonna take everything out, and sorry, I'm looking over there because my window's right there and people are looking at me. I'm going to take everything out of the bags, and then I'm gonna start cooking. So yeah. That's it. Okay guys, so let me show you what I got. So the first thing that I got are eggs. So yeah, that's the first thing. So the next thing that I got are some peppers, because I like to cook with peppers to put them on the meat and stuff like that. So then I got two of these ragu sauces because I'm gonna make pasta. So this is what I use. I got two of these. One of these ricotta cheese. I don't know. I also put this on my pasta. So this is what I'm gonna be doing. These things right here. I got another box of these because this one is already open and it doesn't have that many. But this is what I'm gonna be doing, if you're wondering. Like this. And also got a coffee creamer. I don't drink coffee like every day, maybe like 3 times a week. Sometimes I don't drink coffee at all, but this is really good. Sometimes I just don't put it in coffee, I just put it on my milk. So yeah, this is the Starbucks cinnamon dosha latte creamer. I gotta put this on the fridge. And I have 3 cans of bandules because we're also gonna be making that today. So, and I also got red velvet cake mix. Then also got some brownies, because like I said, I want to bake something. I don't think I'm gonna make this today though. I have like a thing for cookies, so I think I'm gonna make the cookies because I think my mom's gonna get a cake. Sometimes we just get cake for no reason. So the other thing that I got are mangoes. I got 2 mangoes. Also got 2 lettuce. I don't know, I just got 2 of these. Next thing that I got is Cheetos. Not healthy at all. And also I got these bucket something, I don't know, I just get this because I like to make like mini pizzas with this. And I also got avocados. To the next bag, I got 2 Chobani flip yogurts. I've never tried this ones before, so I wanted to try them. Well, I tried this one, but I haven't tried this one. This is coffee brownie bliss. This is how it looks like. I like this to just like snack on. Then I have some hummus, classic hummus. 2 of these 4 cheese Mexican, I don't know, like a blend of cheeses to put on top of some bacon, turkey bacon. I love bacon. And I also got unsalted butter. I also got ground turkey. I'm gonna put this inside. I'm gonna make like a blend. I'm gonna put ground turkey, and also I'm going to put chicken breast. I'm gonna put chicken breast. So I got some bagels. I got more chips. These are healthier than the Cheetos, I think. I don't even know. They say they're like healthier, but and then I got 2 of these butter and garlic croutons for salads. And also I found this. Like I said, I don't drink coffee all the time, but I found this and I was like, I want to try it. It looks cool, right? So this is how it looks like. This is called the Dunkin' Donuts Dulce de Leche I thought that was my brother. So I'm gonna try this. I really want to try this because I love everything dulce de leche or caramel. Last thing that I got more shells because I'm gonna make a lot for everyone. Oh my god, you know what oh, I got different brands, that's why. I was about to say okay, so that's everything that I got, and now we're gonna organize everything and then we're gonna get to cooking. So I put everything away, and the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna season the meat. I'm gonna put them because that's what it takes the longest, and then I'm gonna put this to boil. Sorry if you see me chewing. I'm eating Cheetos. So let's get started. The first thing is, look at this cute apron. So I got this in, I think in Burlington or TJ Maxx. I was like, this is so cute. Like, I want it. I don't cook all the time, but I want it. So I got it and I'm gonna use it today. Okay, so now that I got my apron on, let's get started. I was just cutting some onions, so I'm gonna put some onions. Also, I think I'm gonna put some bell peppers too. I was gonna say, one of the reasons I don't like cooking is because, in my opinion, it takes so much time. I don't even know what time is it, but I know this is gonna take a long time. I'm gonna let you know when I'm done how long it took. Yeah, so I'm doing this meat now, and I still have to cut the chicken and put the pasta dough. So got a long way to go. Gotta hurry up. Okay guys, so I'm almost done doing this. I'm just waiting for the pasta to finish cooking, and I'm gonna put everything together. But in the meantime, I'm gonna start making the cookies. I got this from the supermarket. We just need some butter and an egg. But I'm also going to be adding this. This is like little white chocolate thingies. So that's what we're gonna try to do right now. We're gonna do this right here. All we need is half a cup of butter or 1 stick of butter, and then 1 egg, and that's it. The butter has to be soft, so I got this ones. I don't think they're soft yet. So let's see. Okay, so I hope that's better. I had to turn the flash on because it's very dark in my kitchen. So this is not soft at all. So I'm gonna have to microwave it for a little bit, and then we can do this. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna put them in the pan that I have right here. I have 2 pans because I know I'm gonna fit in one. So it says to use one of these, I think. I don't know, I'm just doing it my way, I guess. Need another okay, so I'm just gonna drop them, and it says to put 2 inches between them, but my pan is not that big, so oh god, I don't even know if I'm doing this right, but let's hope they don't come out crazy. Hey guys, so I just finished cooking and everything, so I'm gonna show you how everything turned out. It's very late, it's like 8:35. It took a while because like I said, I don't cook like ever. So when I do, it takes a long time because I'm not used to it. So yeah, let me show you how everything looks.